If you're starting a business in Texas, you've probably already Googled, should I start a corporation or an LLC? And then you were met with 5 different answers, 10 different charts, and tons of legal jargon. So let's cut through the noise. I'm J Nichols, founder of J Nichols Law, where we help individuals and business owners plan and protect what matters most. Today, I want to walk you through a question I get all the time from new business owners. Jennifer, should I be an LLC or a corporation? There's no one-size-fits-all answer here. The right decision depends on your goals, how you want to run your business, and the type of future you're building toward. So let's break it down in plain terms. Let's start with what they both have in common: liability protection. Whether you choose an LLC or a corporation, both structures will protect your personal assets from business debts or lawsuits. That means your house, your savings, your car, those are generally off limits if your business gets into trouble. That's a big reason people form either one. Now let's look at the differences. LLC, or limited liability companies, are often the go-to choice for small businesses, family-owned companies, and startups. Here's why. Taxation. Most LLCs in Texas are taxed as pass-through entities. That means the income is reported on your personal tax return. And since Texas doesn't have a personal income tax, that's often a very efficient setup. Management. You don't need a board of directors. You can manage it yourself or bring in someone else to manage it for you. That's great if you want to keep things simple. Flexibility. Company agreements can be customized to fit your unique situation. Want 3 co-owners who each have different roles and pay structures? You can do that. Limitation. The main trade-off: LLCs can't issue stock. So if you're planning to bring in big outside investors, that could be a hurdle. Now, corporations. These are better suited for businesses aiming for serious growth, taking on investors, or maybe going public someday. Taxation. Corporations can be taxed 2 ways. A C-Corp gets taxed twice, once on profits and again when profits are distributed to shareholders. But you can also choose S-Corp status for pass-through taxation if you qualify. Structure. You are required to have a board of directors, officers, and shareholders. It's more rigid, but that's also what gives investors confidence. They know how things are supposed to run. Capital raising. Here's the big perk. Corporations can issue stock. That opens the door to raising serious capital. So, how do you choose? If you're starting a family business, consulting company, or a small shop with no outside investors, LLC is probably your best bet. If you're building a business with high growth goals or want to bring in outside investors, a corporation is the stronger choice. And remember, this isn't something you have to guess on. I help business owners think through these decisions, because choosing the wrong structure can lead to a lot of costly restructuring down the line. So here's what to take away. Both LLCs and corporations protect your personal assets. LLCs are simpler and more flexible. This is great for small, closely held businesses. Corporations are better for formal structure, investor confidence, and raising capital. If you're still unsure which direction to take, let's talk. At J Nichols Law, we're here to help you build your business on a strong foundation. Reach out for a consultation, and let's make sure you're set up for success from day one.